Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about e to the power of ln equals to capital A. So this one we will have about 5x. ln you got about number 1. The integration of this one we will have about 1 over 5 ln of the absolute value of x, and we put the bounds from number 1 to number 10. And now we have the final answer. ln number 1 you got about 0. So we just have this one left. This is the end. Thank you for watching.